If you've downloaded and installed CapCut but can't see your photos or videos when trying to import them, here's how to fix the issue. Step 1. Check app permissions. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down to find the list of installed apps, then tap on CapCut. Normally, you should see a Photos option at the top, allowing you to change access settings. However, if you don't see it, here's why. Step 2. Request photo access in CapCut. When you open CapCut for the first time, it needs to request permission to access your photos. If you haven't granted permission yet, follow these steps. 1. Open CapCut. 2. Tap Agree and Continue, then skip any introduction screens. 3. Tap New Project. This should trigger a prompt asking for photo access. If you accidentally deny access, you can go back to Settings within CapCut, and the Photos option should now be available. From there, you can set it to Full Access to enable photo and video imports. Step 3. Check screen time restrictions if needed. If you still can't enable photo access, the issue might be related to screen time restrictions. To fix this, 1. Open Settings and scroll down to Screen Time. 2. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. 3. Look for the Photos option. If it's set to Don't Allow Changes, CapCut won't be able to access your photos. 4. Toggle this setting off, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.